Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to match Square transactions in QuickBooks. First, sign in to your QuickBooks account. From the left menu, go to Transactions. Then click on App Transactions. In some versions, you may see this under Banking and then App Transactions. Here you will find all the sales data that has come in from your Square account. Look through each transaction carefully to make sure everything looks correct. When you are ready, select the transactions you want to record. Now click on Add if the transaction is new and has not been recorded yet. If QuickBooks already finds a similar record in your books, you can click Match instead. This step makes sure your sales are properly entered into your accounting records. Next, go to the Banking section from the left menu. Click on your bank account where your Square payouts are deposited. This is where you will match the actual deposits coming into your bank. Look through the list of bank transactions and find a deposit that matches your Square payout. The amount should be the same as the group transactions from Square after fees. Once you find the correct deposit, click on it. QuickBooks will suggest a match if it finds the related transactions. Click Match to connect the bank deposit with the Square sales you added earlier. This final step ensures your records are accurate and prevents duplicate entries. Thanks for watching.